call. Hello? Hello? I gotta call you back.
Dad, are you going to install this all by yourself?
Well, no, of course not. I'm just going to excavate the hole. I'm going to have a licensed electrician come out and install it per our installation instructions while following all necessary codes and guidelines.
Huh. But like, what if it rains?
Funny you should say that. Our ground box's patented diving bell technology allows for it to maintain its NEMA 6P rating while in use in rain or shine.
Great.
All right, I'm heading into the office. You have a good day.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Quitting time. Man, that ground box is versatile.